Hi, my name is Alexander and welcome back to Schmiedmann. Today I'm going to tell you about the brand Meyle. Meyle produces car parts and has done so for over 60 years. Since 1958, their mission has been to provide drivers around the world with parts as reliable as friends. And they succeed. On all parts, Meyle offers 24 months, that's 2 years of warranty from the day that they are mounted. Meyle offers an HD series, high durability, which describes a series of products where Meyle has taken the part and observed and investigated where it fails and improved it. It might be a rubber bushing, it might be a ball pin that Meyle improves. And on these products, the Meyle HD products, they are so sure that they last. You get 48 months of warranty. That's 4 years. Who does that? Meyle does. Meyle even issues a guarantee certificate for the 4 years of warranty. And therefore, Schmiedmann recommends Meyle HD if you want to save a bunch of money and don't want to compromise on the quality compared to the genuine BMW parts. And we at Schmiedmann are proud that we can offer everything from Meyle for your BMW and MINI right now on Schmiedmann.com. Remember, Schmiedmann offers free shipping within the EU on orders of above 167.5 euros with numerous parts excluded, and worldwide shipping cheaper than you might expect. And of course, as always, the best prices on parts guaranteed. Go to Schmiedmann.com now and get shopping.